Yep.
About to get good.
Whoa! Whoa!
Literally better than a roller coaster.
Yeah.
There's only one pole.
On your left. Yeah, I saw that.
These boats everywhere.
Oh, wait.
These are the boats of past people that have creeped up on them.
The last person that showed up unannounced.
Yeah. It's not that different than having a broken down car in there. That boat has a 225 on it.
It's for chasing people.
That's like a 16-foot, 18-foot boat.
That boat
You
has
see-
225.
Ross, see that? That thing's got 225 on it.
What?
Yeah.
I'm
You're gonna
just
back it
over
in?
here. Oh, I'm not,
Yeah,
we're
that's
not getting out
overkill.
here.
You don't need that much power on a boat like that.
You need like
Everybody has better things to do with this evening.
you need like 90 horsepower.
Is that 225 inch?
No, 225 horsepower.
Yeah. Horsepower? That's
What's up?
Are on the boat, are they all 2 strokes or how does that?
So it's probably
yeah,
4-stroke.
2 strokes or 4 strokes. So this one's a 4-stroke.
2-stroke.
Usually 4 strokes are going to be quieter.
Yeah, they'll say 2
Yeah,
strokes
2
allowed.
strokes are kind of easier to fix, and sometimes they're about 4 strokes sometimes.